Okay, I'm back in Photoshop. Let me to create the new document in order to create the road texture. I'm going to show you how to create the road texture from scratch. File, open, oh sorry, file new. I'm going to create the new document with 1024 by 1024. You can create any size. Okay, I tend to go with the 1024 by 1024. And now this layer, at the moment it is being locked. As I double click, as soon as you rename, this will be unlocked. Okay, I unlock the layer by renaming it. In this color swatch over here, say somewhat closer to the road color, and get my paint bucket. It is hidden under here. If you can see the gradient in here, click and hold it down, then you can pick up the paint bucket and drop it over here. Then by clicking this arrow key, you can go to the next color swatch. There are two. I'm going to pick the little bit lighter color for this one. Then I'm going to use the filter. I'm going to blend these colors, these two colors. What I'm going to do, filter, noise, add noise. Here we go. I'm going to take the Gaussian and the monochromatic. Okay, Gaussian and monochromatic. You can adjust the amount. I like the somewhere around 10 or 11 seems to be working. This is the preview. This is what is going to be happen. Press OK. That's looking good. But it's if I zoom this one, it look like this. I want to look like big chip, like a chips all over. I want to blur this one a little bit more. Blur, Gaussian blur, to closer to get it to the road texture. Okay, with this slider you can adjust the blur amount. What is happening? Okay, that's all good. So I can zoom in. Okay, this is the texture that I have created. What I will do, get my rectangle marquee, which is this one. Marquee the area. I think I'm going to mark like this. Okay, this one. Control C to copy and go to your Mudbox document, which is came from like Mudbox. Now it is in the Photoshop. And Control V, Control C from this end with the rectangle marquee. Then Control V to paste over this side. Then Control T. With the Control T, it will give you a bounding box which will let you to adjust. If you hold down the Shift key, it will let you to like a zoom, a scale in and out proportionally. Put it over here. Here we go. Okay, I'm happy with this. I know this area is going to be bottom. What I'll do, I'm going to add another layer. Control D to deselect. With my marquee, I select big rectangle. Control C, go back over here. You can do whatever you like. Okay, this is, I'm just showing up the technique that you could use. Okay, you don't have to follow me alone. Unleash your creativity, do something cool. That's all I expected. Here we go. Pushing the arrow key, just pressing them. Got a line. Then what I'll do, I know this line. I know this side. I have the side walkway, and after that I want to add some kind of line. which show pedestrian to give some indication that's going to be road after that. Okay, I want to give that indication in my project. If I show that one, you guys clearly see I got these vertices, see edge loop, this edge loop going over here, and after that I got the walking. Okay, after that I got the concrete curb slab that let pedestrian to walk. Therefore I want to add some kind of white or yellow line indicating that's going to be road. I have seen those kind of thing on the roads. Okay, you can do whatever you like. I'm going to get the marquee menu, sorry, rectangle marking. Then I'm going to add a line like that. Then in my color swatch, I'm going to select the yellow color, this one. I'm going to get the paint bucket and drop it over here. Oh, sorry, drop it in here and Control D to deselect. Let me zoom in. Okay, it is too perfect for me. What I'll do, I'll get my eraser, then I can select any brush type in here. I'm going to select something like that, maybe this. Zoom in, let me zoom in. Where that thing go? Okay, here we go. Zoom in again, eraser. I'm going to erase bit and pieces in this yellow line. Then it is not too perfect, it's a bit natural. It's all good. That's all I'm going to do in here. Then I'm going to do the texture paint this side back in Mudbox. Then what I'll do, save this one, save, then I go back to the Mudbox. As soon as I save, it says pre-import road texture. Here we go. I can't see my yellow line happening here. I'm pretty sure it could be somewhere in here hiding. Let me, could be this layer. What's happened with that? Oh, here we go. I got that layer in here. I forgot to name that one. That's a main problem. Sometimes you have to stack them, restack them again. It's hiding somewhere. Here we go. This is my yellow line. Okay, now I can see. Do I need these two layers? Yeah, I don't need this one. Okay, I can have this one. This is the zoo side. This is the road. Here we go. I don't need this one. I just delete them unwanted things. Keep it a bit organized. Then what I'll do, go to my image browser. I have in here, what I did, I have download concrete image from the internet, which is this one. You can do the same thing. Okay, download the whatever image that you like to add to the suicide. You can use them. I have shown how to get into the Mudbox. Once you, if you can't remember how to get in, okay, you go to create the folder with all your texture, which I have done in here. Let me go. computer. Murder City is this one. Okay, my all textures are in here. Okay, see, this is the texture. Let me see. Okay, this is the texture that I have downloaded from the internet to use to my suicide. Then from here you can browse that texture. So click this one, open directory. You just have to click the directory. Okay, you don't have to click any particular folder, just click the directory. I have shown this one before. Then okay, once you select the file, then set as a stencil, then go to the image view. Now it is set as a stencil. With my S key, I'm going to project this color and everything. Therefore, I press the project. Go align here. Make sure I'm in the right layer, suicide. Okay. Don't worry if it is go over. That's really fine because it's under this layer is underneath the roadside. See, this layer is under the roadside, therefore it's not going to paint other area. Okay, now I'm going to paint that side. So if you go paint over this side, is nothing going to happen. That's because this layer is under the road. See, now if I do painting, it's going to happen that side. Therefore all good. You can paint sides if you want to. What I'll do, I'm going to use the flatten to UV space. I hold down the B key to get the smaller brush. Here we go. And I paint the edges. Now it's nice and tidy. Here we go. This is the bottom. I can apply any color that I like. Then mesh, unflatten to UV space. Here we go. Press Q key to get rid of. Now if you want to add more colors, and you're welcome to do so, you know how to add more colors and get more variation in there. I'm going to use the new stencil. You can add more colors. Okay, this is yeah, I'm going to add more colors. Okay, let me change it. Then I'm going to change the blending mode to make it nice and tidy. Okay, press Q key to get rid of the stencil. Then I can change it to the blending mode for soft light. Yeah. You can do so many things. Okay, you can make it look nice. That's all you need. Then I'm running out with time. Then next video I'm going to show you how to create the bump map, normal map, and extract all these channel into the 3ds Max. I'm going to stop over here.